But staying with the story, the Union Minister of State for Home Affairs, Kiren Rijiju, has come out in support of the comments that has been made by the Assam governor. Interestingly, speaking to India Today, Kiren Rijiju has defended the governor, saying that PB Acharya was not communal in his statement.
हिंदूज मतलब वो हिंदू धर्म के हिसाब से नहीं बोला है। ये सब एक सर्वधर्म संभव जो अपना कंसेप्ट है उस हिसाब से उन्होंने कहा है। हिंदू मतलब बाय अपने मजहब के हिसाब से उन्होंने ये नहीं कहा है।
All right, so Kiren Rijiju there, the Union Minister of State for Home Affairs, saying that the governor was absolutely not political in his statement. He was not, his statements didn't really have any communal tone or color to it, and that he was had just expressed his views. So clearly, you know, the government throwing its weight behind the governor, PB Acharya, who has clearly stirred a fresh row with this latest controversy. Political reactions, in fact, forced the governor to make a complete U-turn, where he said that he was misquoted, that his statements were played out of context. Okay, let's get in a quick word from Kamaljeet. Kamaljeet, so what exactly has Kiren Rijiju said to defend PB Acharya for his comments?
Well, what Kiren Rijiju has done is basically defending the indefensible. What he's really said about the Assam governor in the sense is that he was misquoted, that he actually did not make a comment on one particular religion, that this was actually for the love of all religions. Then we did cross-question him and said that he did make a further remark even in his clarification presser, that he had said that all the persecuted Muslims can actually go to Bangladesh and Pakistan. And remember, Kiren Rijiju was at a function of the SAARC disaster management, which also meant that there were delegations which had come from Bangladesh, from Pakistan. So this was a high-profile meeting in a certain sense. But yes, once we did question him, it did seem that he was caught on the wrong foot. At this point of time, he did manage to defend the Assam governor, but not many are really willing to buy the argument from the MOS home.
Absolutely, Kamaljeet. In fact, just let's listen into what the Union Minister had to say to defend the governor about his comments that has, of course, triggered a huge controversy now with the opposition gunning for PB Acharya.
हिंदूज मतलब वो हिंदू धर्म के हिसाब से नहीं बोला है। ये सब एक सर्वधर्म संभव जो अपना कंसेप्ट है उस हिसाब से उन्होंने कहा है। हिंदू मतलब बाय अपने मजहब के हिसाब से उन्होंने ये नहीं कहा है।
निसगम मनि पम ग नि पम ग स नि पम नि स प स। जहाँ तक याद आती रहेगी।